Welcome guys to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome, and if you are a new subscriber, we are glad to have you. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you like this video. Very important. Now we're going to be looking at a title of the video I gave. I separated into two parts. The part A will be centered on how to connect your Binance to your TraderWagon account. Then the part B will be centered on how to go about Binance copy trading, or how to make $200 on Binance copy trading. Now you follow the steps one after the other. This Binance homepage. Next, you click on Futures tab. When you click on Futures tab, you click on Leaderboard at the top. This leaderboard at the top, you click on it. Alright, this leaderboard. Next, you click on My Following. My Following is at the top left hand side. You click on My Following. Alright. Next, you click on USD. You know, the next button there is Coin M. You know, Coin M is if you are using any other stable coin apart from USDT, but USDM is for USDT stable coin only. So you click on USDM. All right, then you click on Copy Now at the bottom of your screen. You click on Copy Now. All right, good. Now from here you click on Wallet. You know, we are trying to connect our TraderWagon account to our Binance first. That's the part A. So you click on Wallet, and then you follow the steps. Once you click on Wallet, follow the steps. Okay. Alright, so we have successfully connected our Binance account to our Trader wallet. We have successfully connected our Binance account to our TraderWagon wallet. Alright, so next you click on the home button, which is at the left hand side of the bottom of your screen. Then this page, or this interface, is showing us a 30-day return on investment for different professional traders in Binance. Okay, so if you look at this guy, road to 100k, he has made so far over 2,000% in profit. Okay, then this one, big shit energy, has made over 1,000% in profit. 100 billion trading has made over 700% in profit. All right, so you can click on any of them and just make your selections. Do you understand? Just choose anyone you want to copy. Do you understand? So now let's just take a look at the first guy, road to 100k. We click on the first guy. Now, as you can see, He has a portfolio margin balance of 5,715 USDT. All right, and within 30 days he has generated a profit ratio of over 2,000%, which is 2,045%. Okay, over 2,000%, and he has made a total profit and loss of plus 40,400 USDT. Plus 40,400 USDT. Do you understand? And so far, within those 30 days, okay, within those 30 days, he traded 387 times. He traded 387 times. And out of those 387 times he traded in total, he won 261 trades out of 387 trades. Okay, that's winning trades that he had was 261 that ended up in profit. We are 261. Now, if you want to copy this guy, all you just have to do is you have to have minimum of $10, which is 10 USDT in your sports wallet, in your Binance sport wallet. All right. So if you want to copy him, all you just have to do is you click on copy. This button here, you click on copy. All right, so let's say you want to, let's say, okay, you are ready to trade. Okay, I mean, you are ready to copy this trader. Minimum is $10, right, in your Binance Spot wallet. So let's say you just type in your $10, for example. Okay, insufficient balance. Okay, I don't have balance in my spot wallet. It's in my futures. But let's assume I have some USDT in my spot, because the one I have is my futures. Okay, so let's assume I have some USDT in my spot. Let's say $10. You type it in here. All right, you type it in here. Then for take profit, it said set take profit and stop loss for entire portfolio. For take profit, you could go for 10% take profit. All right, you don't have to be greedy. But you could go for 10% take profit. You just type it in. All right, or you go for 20% take profit, 40%, 50%. It depends on you. But to make it easier for you and for you not to be greedy, you can just go for 10%. Thereafter, you set your stop loss. Percentage. So over here, you just fix your stop loss percentage. Do you understand? So once you are done with that, it says low leverage mode. So here you set your leverage. Okay, you just click on that icon, this drop down icon here. You click on it and just select your leverage. If it's 10s, or whatever, you just select. Okay, but I think the guy, this copy trader here, placed as like he permanently placed it on 10x maximum. All right, 10x maximum. So meaning you can only set your leverage from 10x below. All right, so I tried increasing the leverage, it couldn't. All right, so it means you only capped it at 10s maximum. All right, so you can only set between 10s and below for leverage. So you can reduce it to 9x, 8x, 7s, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's say 4x. All right, so you leave it at 4x. Once you are done, you click on this submit. You check this button here that says I have read and agreed to the copy trader service agreement and risk. Once you have done that, like you've checked that box there, then you click on submit. This button here, you click on submit. So once you've submitted, it means you have copied this trader. Okay, you have copied his trades. Whose trade? This guy here wrote to 100k. Do you understand? So that's how to copy professionals on Binance copy trading platform. Do you understand? So with that, you are done. So let us go back. If you want to check your trades which you copied under road to 100k, the professional, or under anybody else, you just click on this button here, my copy trading. You just click here, you will see the whole history of your trades. Do you understand? The whole history of your trade, how it is going and everything. Okay, and also if you want to close it, all the details will be displayed here. Let's say you don't want to trade again, you don't want to copy the guy again, you just want to close it. You just go there, you see the button there on how to close the trade. You just click on it. Do you understand? Now good, let's go back to the home page, and let's say you want to add I didn't explain this part. You know, this road to 100k, for now he needs only 100 persons maximum, okay, to copy his trades. So for now he don't have anybody for now, okay. But see this guy, 100 billion trading. This 100 billion trading guy, this copy trader here, has already attained the 100 maximum trade. He has attained the 100 maximum that he needs. Let's click on it. Let's click on copy. Okay, before copy, let me explain again. He has a total portfolio margin balance of 7,247 USDT. All right, and within 30 days, the profit ratio he generated was 773%. Okay, now the total profit and loss he made was $22,435 or 22,435 USDT. Do you understand? And within those 30 days, he took 14 trades, or he placed 14 trades within those 30 days, and out of those 14 trades he won 11. So meaning 11 trades ended as winning trades. Okay, so meaning he only recorded 3 losses, right? 3 trades ended up in loss. Now if you want to copy this guy, you only need a minimum of $10. A minimum of $10. So let's say you want to copy this guy, just click on copy. You just click on copy. Okay, now you set your cost per order. That is your capital. You put it at 10. Okay, copy amount, you put it at 10. That is if you have $10, right? You put it at 10. Then low leverage mode, he has already capped his at 10x. Do you understand? So you can only go between 10x and 1x. Okay, so you can just make adjustments regarding the leverage that you want. All right, either you leave it at 10x or you go for any other one, maybe 4x, 3x, 2x, whatever. Okay, then over here you set your take profit and stop loss. Once you've done that, you click on this check mark here, this empty check mark. Just check it, this one that says I have read and agreed to the copy trader service agreement. Once you've done that, you click on submit. Do you understand? Now if you want to follow this guy on this platform, all you just do is you tap on this star icon. Just tap on this star icon. That's how you follow copy traders on the Binance copy trading platform. Just tap on this star icon. Okay, now I wanted to explain something. See this number 5, serial number 5, last trade. You know, each and every one of them need 100 people to copy that trades. Okay, so this one is showing us that 36 persons so far have copied this trade actively. He has 36 active persons who have copied his trade, or who are still copying his trade. But for this 100 billion trading guy, he has attained the 100 maximum. The maximum number of persons you need to copy your trade is 100. He has attained it. Do you understand? So this one, Benedict, just have only one. Bank Pro have 99. Okay, just like that. So it depends on you. Whoever you want to copy that trade, first of all, you take a look at how much they are generating in terms of profit ratio for 30 days. Like I said later on, road to 100k is over 2,000%. Then the second guy, Energy, is over 900% in profit. 100 billion trading is over 700% in profit each of them is 30 days. You understand? So you check it out, know the one you want to go for, and follow the steps that I gave before now, and your copy trading will start running. You start copying the professional whose trade you want to copy. Do you understand? So this is how you go about copying professional traders on the Binance copy trading platform. And as they make money, you are making money. As they make money, you are making money. Okay, so you don't necessarily need to study, like to watch the market, or crack your brain, or give yourself headache. Somebody else has done the work. All right, like in the area of analysis and all of that, and that same person is not trading on your behalf by way of you copying his or her trade. Do you understand? So by so doing, as he makes profit, you are making profit too, after you've set up after you've followed those guidelines I gave before now. Do you understand? So at this point, we've come to the end of this aspect of the video. So follow it closely, follow all I have said closely, and you'll see yourself generating serious money via Binance copy trading platform. Cheers, guys. See you guys in the next video.